2 minutes of information, entertainment, and events. This is the Daily 2.
Hi, and welcome to the Daily 2. When you're upgrading the windows in your home, you want stylish and current. Ted and Jonathan of North Georgia Replacement Windows are here to talk about some exciting new trends in windows. So what are the latest trends when it comes to replacement windows?
Shannon, last year, due to the high demand, we rolled out the newest product upgrade from Infinity from Marvin fiberglass windows, which is dark interiors. The interior window frame is a dark color, so it really makes your view pop. Plus, they look fantastic inside your home against your existing white trim.
So what are these new dark interior window colors?
Well, Shannon, our Infinity fiberglass windows are available in both black and bronze on the interior and exterior. It is a beautiful product that lasts and backed by a company who cares.
With the dark colors outside and our intense sunlight, is there a risk they'll fade?
Absolutely not. Our windows have a proprietary Ultrex finish that is fade resistant. They're the most durable window material you can buy, and they perfectly complement the architecture of your home.
So what if someone decides they want to change the colors down the road?
Well, unlike the cheap plastic vinyl windows, the Infinity from Marvin fiberglass windows are 100% paintable, so no problem at all. Plus, our windows are also backed by a limited lifetime product and service warranty.
So how can someone see the windows first if they're interested in buying them for their home?
Well, we make window shopping simple with quick, accurate proposals. Simply stop by our showroom in Roswell or call us and we'll bring out the samples to you. We'll provide a free proposal at your home without the pressure of pricing games.
That is easy. Ted, Jonathan, thank you both so much. If you are interested and would like more information, visit the website ngwindows.com. I'm Shannon Walsh with the Daily 2.